Hi, my name is Catherine Alley, and I'm going to be a junior this year at Knox. I'm majoring in biochemistry and minoring in chemistry, and I also serve as the Student Senate Secretary, which is why I'm here today. You may have received one of these when you moved in or a little bit later on. These are a health services kit, which is a collaboration with the Student Senate and the Health Services Department. I'm here today to tell you a little bit about what you got. The first thing that you should have received are 2 face masks. One of them has the Knox K on it, and the other one has Blaze the Fox. To go along with these face masks, we have a HEPA filter. These go inside of your face mask. I'll show you how to do that. Here is our mask. Now you'll notice on the side there is a little tiny flap that lifts up right here. And we are going to take our HEPA filter and gently fold in the corners and then carefully insert it into the mask. It does help to kind of lift up the flaps of the mask and pull the filter into the mask, so then you can kind of situate it. Now, since the HEPA filter is not the same size as your mask, it's important to maneuver it so that it is in the front area where you'll be primarily breathing through. So then this mask is good to go. After that, we have a face shield. Face shields are to be worn alongside face masks, not as a replacement, and offer additional protection for students who feel that they need it. The next thing that we have is hand sanitizer. It's important to sanitize your hands frequently. This little bottle might be small, but it's really easy to refill just by unscrewing the lid and putting some more in the top. Finally, we have a letter from Student Senate. This letter explains a little bit about our Knox community. It's very important that you read it because it will explain some things that you need to adhere to while you are on campus. It also talks a little bit about how important you all are to all of us and how very much we want to keep you all safe. As you're on campus, it's really important to adhere to all of the social distancing guidelines that are set forth by campus. We hope that this kit helps keep you and those around you safe. We do this together so that we can be together. Happy fall term.